In the crypto world, there is ongoing competition for the best and fastest-growing blockchain, and Cardano is one of the blockchains taking the lead in the entire crypto industry. Since it was founded in 2015, Cardano has stayed and claimed its spot among the top 10 cryptos by market cap, and it has successfully garnered the interest of crypto enthusiasts, analysts, and lots of social media hype. With its tech growing so fast and making advancements at a very fast speed, it will not be surprising if Cardano will surpass Ethereum in the future. But will it? Seeing that, like Ethereum, the blockchain is creating a strong and formidable blockchain network and ecosystem and differentiating itself by using mathematical principles in its consensus mechanism and a unique multi-layer architecture? These two key characteristics of Cardano make them a formidable competition, and with a foundation and a team that has worked closely in developing Ethereum, a lot of people believe Cardano is the next-gen crypto solution in the blockchain industry. But what is Cardano, and how's its platform able to handle almost, if not all, of these kinds of transactions? Continue watching to find out, and to also know how Cardano is soon progressing to become the new blockchain internet by creating an ecosystem that allows different blockchains to seamlessly interchange with each other. What is Cardano, and how does it work? As I have already said, Cardano is a blockchain which is powered by a coin, the ADA. ADA powers the network on the Cardano blockchain the same way Ether powers the Ethereum blockchain. You can consider Bitcoin as the first version of cryptocurrencies, Crypto 1.0, because it is totally digital gold. But then, it has a lot of problems that have to do with scalability. Then we have Ethereum. It's not like Bitcoin, even though it might seem like so. These two are different from each other, and Ethereum is seen as Crypto 2.0, the second version of crypto. There is a third version of crypto, Crypto 3.0, launched in 2017, which is Cardano. It took all the challenges Ethereum had, solved them, and produced an improved overall functionality that was not present in the Ethereum blockchain. The Cardano blockchain was founded by Charles Hoskinson in 2015, who was also a co-founder of the Ethereum blockchain. But he left Ethereum after a strong dispute with the team and co-founder Vitalik Buterin in 2014. The reason for the dispute was concerning if their Ethereum project should be made commercial or not commercial. After leaving in 2014, he launched Cardano in 2015, which was released to the market in 2017. But do you know one thing? Cardano was not like either Bitcoin or Ethereum. It is better. It's more interoperable, more sustainable, and even more scalable. So much that Cardano was referred to as an Ethereum killer. All this gets better when you find out that there are ongoing developments to further improve the existing Cardano blockchain. This development is supported by the Cardano Foundation and also the IOC Research Institute. The Research Institute is involved in research and development and peer review. According to Henrik Gebbing, they do this through a formal development model. In case you were wondering, Henrik Gebbing is the co-CEO and co-founder of Finoa, a custodian of digital assets. Did you know that Cardano is better than most popular cryptocurrencies because its blockchain network is not based on proof-of-work consensus mechanisms, which waste very huge amounts of energy, about 73 terawatt-hours of energy annually? This is so huge, seeing that an average American home uses just about 890 kilowatt-hours in a month and a little above 10,000 in a year. This makes the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism that Cardano operates on better and more sustainable, seeing that they use 99.99% less energy than the proof-of-work consensus. This makes Cardano a more sustainable and scalable blockchain. Let's talk about the crypto coin that powers this blockchain, the ADA. What is ADA, and what do you need to know about it? So you remember Ada Lovelace? If you do not remember, Ada Lovelace was a mathematician in the 19th century and was recognized as the first computer programmer. The Cardano platform is powered by ADA, and it is named after Ada Lovelace. ADA tokens can be used to settle transaction fees when you use the Cardano platform. Now, because Cardano operates the proof-of-stakes system of consensus, it doesn't need miners. It needs validators, people who will validate the transactions on the network and be rewarded with ADA tokens. Let's talk about how Cardano works. But before that, how is it impossible for you to spend a particular cryptocurrency twice, seeing that there's no central governing authority to monitor or verify the transaction since it's decentralized? But that's not possible with blockchain tech. You don't need a central body to verify or monitor any transactions. These are done by miners on the blockchain that use proof-of-work consensus mechanisms like Ethereum 1.0 and Bitcoin, where they use very powerful computers to resolve difficult mathematical equations to add new blocks to chains of blocks. When it is successfully done, they receive crypto peculiar to the blockchain. For the Ethereum blockchain, it is Ether. The whole process above is very tasking, and a lot of time and electrical energy is used up for just one block. Cardano works differently than Ethereum or Bitcoin. It uses the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism to verify and monitor transactions. To be a validator, you have to stake a certain amount of crypto. That way, you earn the right to operate the Cardano blockchain. The whole process helps to cut and reduce power consumption during the production of blocks on the blockchain. Easy, less time-consuming, and more energy-saving. All these stories about Cardano must have gotten you so interested in it. So how do you partake? How do you benefit from it, and what does the Cardano blockchain have in stock for you? First thing first. The token is easy to buy. Mind you, you cannot buy Cardano, but you can buy ADA, its altcoin. It can be bought from top crypto exchanges where you can store your ADA tokens or store them in your wallet. Some of the exchanges are Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Gemini. But to buy them, you need dough, cash. Not plenty, but enough to set you on the part of a Cardano crypto investor. It's a way to spice up your investment portfolio. But that's not all you can use the ADA for. Although its main uses are as a medium of exchange or an investment, you can also use your ADA tokens for transaction fees or to stake in the network, which will bring you more rewards. Two of their official wallets that allow you to stake are Yori wallet, which is the light node wallet, and Daedalus wallet, which is the full node wallet. The wallets also allow you to vote in funds that award ADA to Cardano projects. That is known as a project catalyst. If you are a developer, congratulations to you. Why? Well, in the Cardano network, you can carry out projects on the blockchain and not directly use the ADA tokens. There are also a lot of non-fungible tokens and decentralized finance initiatives in the ecosystem. While some are exchanges like SundaySwap, others are lending protocols that are trustless like Meld. These are not all the possible things you can do on the Cardano blockchain. There are a lot more with research and development in place to add to the existing ones. Apart from its uses, there are a few reasons or benefits why you should use Cardano. Most importantly, it has less impact on the environment than Bitcoin. According to Hoskinson's statement in an interview conducted by Forbes in 2021, Cardano is more energy efficient and sustainable than Bitcoin by 1.6 million times. So, if being conservative has stopped you from venturing into the bubbling market, here's your shot. Take it. Transactions on the Cardano network are also fast. While Bitcoin would have carried out 4.6 transactions in 1 second, Cardano would have done 250 transactions in the same second. Pretty impressive, right? Yes, it is. But the network, with all its greatness, is not without its disadvantages. The nascent blockchain, since its release, has been struggling to catch up in a market where competitors are established and have long histories of usage and adoption by developers. It is, in fact, going to be even tougher when Ethereum 2.0 finally hits the market, which is going to run on a proof-of-stake mechanism, one of Cardano's greatest upper hands. Then there's another closely related problem that has to do with becoming outstanding in a market populated by outstanding competition. With the crypto market getting more occupied, with upcoming and mushrooming projects gaining attention from the media, crypto enthusiasts, investors, or even analysts become tough. Take, for instance, Dogecoin, which boomed because of a meme, something as simple as a meme. Sadly, Cardano does not have this level of attention. Yes, Cardano is good. It has these awesome benefits and all these impressive use cases with the hope of bringing more to the table. Don't forget, it's still an element of the crypto industry, an industry filled with volatility, competition, and the risks of losing all your investments overnight. So remember to only invest in Cardano with money you are willing to spend and can afford to lose. Trust me, there's nothing like money you can afford to lose. Losing $20 will hurt, but not as much as losing $2,000. But all the same, if you are up for the thrills, Cardano is sure to give it to you.